Let's start with our attention to the nerve center of our innovation, our research and development lab. This space is a testament to our commitment to advancing healthcare. It's here that we delve into the heart of medical science, always seeking ways to improve and innovate. Our R&D lab is furnished with state-of-the-art equipment, allowing our team of dedicated scientists and researchers to push the boundaries of what's possible in pharmaceuticals. They work tirelessly, applying their expertise to develop more effective, safer medications that can truly make a difference. We undertake a variety of research projects here, from improving existing formulations to pioneering new treatments. Our aim is not just to keep up with the advancements in the field, but to lead the way. Let's move on to the heart of our facility, our production lines. We have a three-pronged approach, specializing in solids, semi-solids, and liquids. Our solid production line manufactures various forms of medication, from tablets to capsules. Equipped with cutting-edge technology, it's designed to maintain the highest levels of accuracy and efficiency. Next, our liquid production line. This is where we produce syrups and solutions. It's an ultra-modern setup, ensuring sterility and precision in every drop. Lastly, our semi-solid production line. Here, we create creams, ointments, and gels, using precision techniques to ensure consistency and quality across all our products. Let's now turn our attention to our warehouse. Our spacious storage facility is the backbone of our operations, designed with a focus on capacity, organization, and safety. It ensures a steady flow of raw materials, enabling us to meet the demands of our partners on time, every time.